Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a teachable course. First, pinpoint your ideal student and their specific learning needs. This foundational step ensures your content resonates deeply. Next, define clear, measurable learning objectives, guiding both your content creation and student expectations. Researching existing courses helps you identify unique angles and market gaps. Finally, structure your course into logical modules and lessons, providing a clear learning path for your students. Now, let's focus on crafting engaging content. Develop high-quality, original materials that truly add value. Utilize diverse formats like video lectures, written lessons, and interactive quizzes to cater to different learning styles. Always ensure your content is clear, concise, and easy for everyone to understand. Incorporate practical examples and real-world applications to make the learning experience more relatable and impactful for your students. Next, consider your platform and delivery. Choose an online learning platform that best suits your course and audience needs. There are dozens available. Organize your content logically within the chosen platform, ensuring a smooth user experience. Set up clear pricing models, perhaps offering a free preview or a one-time payment, and secure payment gateways. Finally, plan effective promotion and marketing strategies to reach your target students. For your final steps, focus on launching and iterating. Thoroughly test your entire course before its official launch to catch any issues. Actively gather feedback from your initial students. Their insights are invaluable for improvement. Regularly update and improve your course content to keep it fresh and relevant. Finally, provide ongoing support and engagement for your learners, fostering a strong community and ensuring their continued success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.